Hi everyone, happy week 9. We've made it. Want to say thank you for all of your hard work. Really appreciate you um, continuing to push forward. There's 3 things I want to talk about today in this message. The first is Saturday, the final field report was due. So if you have not submitted your final field report, that is due. It was due Saturday. So make sure to get that in this week to avoid any penalties. So again, the final field report was due. And moving forward, what we'll be working on. So the second thing I want to talk about, just to clear things up, is that to make sure everybody understands what they're to submit, we have, if you remember our action plan, you're going to complete either if you're doing the field study project, this is what you'll complete part A. If you're doing the research project, this is what you'll complete. If you're doing the research project, which is part B, and this is in the action plan, which is in module 1. We went over that, it was handed out, but it is easily accessible and available in our course material. So you can find that in module 1. You should have been filling that action plan out as we went along through milestones 1 through 3. And if you just scroll down to the bottom of it, you'll see what the deliverables are as far as if you're doing the field report or the research project, what you to turn in. So also remember, today is a field session. I will be in class, so it'd be great to stop by if you have any questions. I'll be there between 1 and 4, our regular class time. The third thing I wanted to mention is that you have your report. So either the field report or your research report that you'll turn in, but you also have a presentation to do for week 10, which is next Monday. So that's the final project, is a presentation. And the great thing, you can look at what to do for that. If you scroll into module 9 and just move down here to where it says in class, and this is all under project engagement, sorry. This is all under project engagement. So if you go to module 9, project engagement, it lets you know what else we'll need to do for that final presentation. So it piggybacks off of the career goals. So you'll be able to talk about, number 1, what's your professional, your future educational goals. So either your goals in education, maybe you want to continue, get your master's degree, you want to major, you have a major in mind, or you do your PhD, professional goals, so what job you're looking to move into as we move forward. Then you'll talk about what you learned in the field, during your shadow, or in your research, what you've learned, because I know you guys learned quite a bit, and really proud of your work with that. Then you're going to use that DQP and talk about, and that's from the rubric, you're going to talk about 2 to 3 of those areas that actually you have, and that you've and that show that you're ready for those, that you have those, you've achieved those, either through coursework, field work, or the research. And then think about 1 or 2 areas that are opportunity for improvement. So where you can improve at in any of those areas that you need to work on some more. So that's great. Due to the size of our class, everybody will have maximum 5 minutes to really give a crisp, concise presentation, just covering those points. You'll turn in your deliverables, and that'll be our last day. So look forward to hear any questions. You guys are really great at reaching out to me, phone calls, text message, emails. So let me know if you have any questions. If you want me to look at any of your work or your presentation ahead of time, happy to do so. excited to hear. I've been reading the final field reports, a lot of great stuff. So I will be in class today, and then I will see you next week.